Congratulations for Forbes Robotic LVac Voice Nuo. Let's dive right in and see what comes in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Forbes Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, the charging dock and adapter, mopping cloths and mop holder, dust tank, high-performance HEPA filter, side brushes, cleaning tool and user manual. Now let's bring this Forbes Robotic LVac Voice Nuo to life. Let's set it up together. Step 1. Place the charging dock close to a flat, hard surface. Ensure no obstacles within 5 feet in front and 1.5 feet on both sides. Step 2. Connect the charging dock to a power source. Step 3. Remove the protective strips on the front bumper. Step 4. Align the side brushes with the designated holes and press gently. Step 5. Switch on the Forbes Robo and let it charge fully for about 5 hours. Your Forbes Robotic LVac Voice Nuo is now installed and ready to connect. Jump to the next section where we learn how to operate the Robo.